Sass is a language that allows you to write CSS in a more convenient and efficient way. There are two ways to write Sass syntax and SCSS syntax. We use SCSS syntax, which is the more common syntax. Note that the file extension is .scss rather than .css. Some of the benefits of using Sass are shown below. In this video, you will learn about these benefits in detail and how to take advantage of them. First, let's look at the nesting structure that is used very often in Sass. With nesting, you can rewrite your CSS as shown in the example below. In this way, Sass allows you to nest selectors in other selectors. So, with Sass, you don't have to write the same selector many times. Please subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more tutorials.